Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap for Tuesday, January 13th, 2026. Today we'll cover movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,962.98, a loss of 14.28 points. It maintains a very strong positive trend despite a flat price over 3 days. In contrast, the S&P 400 MidCap index rose to a new all-time high with upward volatility. Market breadth was mixed, with the S&P 500 index seeing more advances than declines over the week. Despite a strong trend, the Nasdaq Composite Index showed a larger number of one-day decliners at 1,728, diverging from its generally positive momentum. For total and daily returns, the S&P 400 MidCap Index leads with a strong monthly return of 5.06%. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 Index reported a noteworthy month-to-date gain of 6.09%. Energy led with a significant close up by 1.5%, marking a new one-year high. Consumer defensive continued its strong positive trend with 4 consecutive days of gains. Real estate also maintained momentum, closing up at 258.80. However, its trend remains mixed. The financial services experienced a drop of 1.8%. Meanwhile, communication services was an outlier, climbing 0.14% and reaching a new all-time high with strong upward volatility today. Other sectors, like technology, showed more subdued declines amid mixed trends. Across global markets, Chile closed at 44.34, marking a 1% uptick and a new all-time high. Other strong performers included Belgium and Norway, both achieving all-time highs with a very strong positive trend. Chile posted an impressive week-to-date total return of 3.48%. Turkey followed suit with a monthly rise of 9.62%, reflecting substantial recent gains. These movements underscore strong positive trends and continuing volatility shaping opportunities in these global markets. In a day full of mixed results for technology darlings, Apple closed at 261.5, gaining 0.80. The stock experienced a notable 3-day uptrend before breaking out from its earlier sideways movement. Alphabet also finished strong at 336.43, up by 3.70, continuing a strong upward streak and setting a new all-time high. In contrast, Amazon dropped 3.87 to close at 242.60, showing a 2-day decline amidst a very positive trend, while Meta Platforms fell by 10.88 to end at 631.9, facing very strong downward volatility. Finally, Nvidia gained 0.87, closing at 185.81, with a trend that's been mixed yet slightly upward in recent days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is showing upward movement, currently at 94,312.1, gaining 3,123.92 today. Ethereum is trading at 3,212.1, up by 120.7, with a breakout from a flat trend. BNB continues its strong positive trend, reaching 943.6, gaining 38.26. Solana has also experienced an upward breakout, now at 143.78, plus 4.72 today. Meanwhile, Dogecoin is currently priced at 0.1445, an increase of 0.0080, marking a 5.9% rise. Exploring returns in crypto, Bitcoin boasts a week-to-date return of 3.79% and an average daily return of 1.89%. BNB shows strong performance with a 4.42% weekly increase. Notably, Dogecoin shines with a monthly return of 23.28%, driven by a 5.9% leap today. Overall, digital assets are showing significant upward momentum this period.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar strengthened against key currencies today. Against the euro, it's up 0.16% at 0.8584, maintaining a positive trend despite flat movement over the past 5 days. Trading versus the British pound, the dollar rose 0.27% to 0.7447, although its trend remains mixed negative. In an impressive move, the Japanese yen saw the dollar advancing 0.63% to 159.1400, nearing a one-year high amid strong upward volatility. The Swiss franc also saw gains against the dollar, climbing 0.43% to 0.8007, indicating a positive trend. Finally, against the Australian dollar, the exchange rate rose 0.41% to 1.4961, breaking out upwards after 3 days of sideways trading.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.